and then this is where the microphone will be fixed, somewhere here. Hello, how yo, testing the microphone. Come on, sit down. Oh yeah, every time. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, say hi guys. Hi guys. Good evening. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So guys, we have something to unbox. Join us as we unbox this for our mukbang. We are buying things gradually for our mukbang. So this is speaker. I bought this speaker and I've not had chance to unbox it since. So this evening is the right time to unbox it. Shh, go and keep it. Go and keep that thing. Yay, guys! This is our speaker. Come on, sit here. This is professional recording stand microphone. Yeah, this is our microphone. This is our mukbang microphone. You come down. Let me show you guys. This is it. This is it. Our mukbang microphone. So guys, tan tan. Mama, tan tan. I hope I will be able to fix it. But bagam. Look at this. They showed me how to fix it, but I've forgotten. How did you know they used to put in the mouth? How did you know this girl? Look at this. Wait now. Look at this one. Hello. Ah, just wait a minute. Oh yeah, eat. Mama, eat. So guys, this is the microphone, and this one is, stop touching this thing. Live sound card. Okay, this one will be connected. Somewhere. This is what it came with. I think this is the charger. This is another charger. Okay, this is the charger to use and charge this. It's rechargeable. That is one thing I like about the microphone. It's rechargeable. The first one I got, I could not fix it. I had to return it. Even the seller could not fix it for me. Can you imagine that? Then this is the stand. This stand, I will have to buy table. Okay, to use and fix it, because the table I have is plastic and that plastic table cannot hold this thing very well. I have to fix here on a table, wooden table, and then this is where the microphone will be fixed, somewhere here. Hello, 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 hello. How you?